Alright, this is shooting range right here. Single box light. I just think throws light. Just throws it. Let's come over here and see if we can't find any bullfrogs in this pond. You should see a bunch of eyes. It's gonna get quiet. There's duckweed in there. Covers all the way up. Been told if you harvest it with like a pool skimmer, pretty good feed for chickens. There's a bullfrog right there. Right there. And there's another one there. You got a single toggle up top. Can hit it once. I mean, that's a lot of light. Just throwing it. You also get your rear green lights. I'm gonna toggle it off, toggle it back on. Set this box light down on the ground. This is where I set it up, just like this. There you go. Got one light. One box light. Lighting up the silo. Gonna throw one and light up here. I'm gonna leave that light up for a while, see how it does. You can't see anything here. Boom. Yeah, I'm reaching out to the back of this small little pen. Down to the gate. I'm gonna go break into a bigger field and see what we can see. So in this field, you can see the tree line back there. It taps out. Mr. Kenworth right there. Old Ford tractor. It's a good pulling tractor. Peace of love. Right now we're at the back side of the berm. Right, this is shooting range right here. It definitely lights it up wherever you need to go. Plenty of light. This thing is light, like weight-wise. It's very light. This clip on the back, I was like, I don't like it. I'm used to Streamlight in the past, have their plastic clip that you can squeeze. But I have been carrying this on the back of my belt. Honestly, like recently, I've been carrying it on the back of my belt. And that little paddle slides right in. And it's nice and tight. It's not a big obnoxious thing in the back of my pants. I wore it on my fire gear this past week and it clipped right in, stayed where it needed to stay. It did well, so cool product. Interested to see how it holds up after a few months and some abuse, because we're going to use these things and we're going to abuse them. We're going to take them out in the woods, use them in the fire scene, use them on the shooting range, use them at the campground, use them on the farm, and really just give them a work over and see what happens. The Nightstick INTRANT. Just push the button and you get off. And then the other side, this button right here gives you one click on, off, then you hold it, you get medium, hold it again, you get low, and you can run the floodlight on any of the settings either at the same time. You double click it and it strobes in whatever power setting you have. So I'm going to go to the high power. Double click, got my strobe. One of the things I've really been enjoying is just clipping this to my belt and really just using that floodlight for ambient lighting. It's done a really good job. That clip is sweet. Boom. Coming back over to this box light, it's been about 10 minutes. What I'm interested to see is what's the quality of the light. I think it's the same quality, same brightness. My hand on the back, it's cool to touch. The LEDs are cool to touch on the front. I'm just gonna toggle it to low, toggle it back to high. Vendor sent me this back plate. I'm not sure if you can see it where it says NS. There's replacement pads for that have magnets in them. I haven't put them on yet, but I think that would help it stay a bit better. I don't think it'll hold it up vertically off the side, but I think it might be pretty cool. Then compare the hand light. A lot more of a pinpointed light throw. It definitely lights it up wherever you need to go. Plenty of light. This check at 20 minutes. There's a difference in the brightness. Doing good. Sitting here just cranking it out. Alrighty, this is our 30-minute check-in. Same box light. Been running the whole time. What we're gonna do next is just gonna toggle it off, toggle it back on. Show you how dark it really is out here. Okay, that's off. That's on. That's low. Back to high. Back off. I mean, it's dark. This place is really dark at night.